good. Crazy. That's crazy. It's still clean though. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. It's Saturday, man. You already know what's going on. We was about to get some work, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but I talked to my dad, and he finally got his cars out the garage. So it's regular to y'all, but it's everything to me. So it's time to get to LA and to see these cars out the garage. It's been years since we had them out, so I can't wait to see it and get up close on them and most likely clean them things up. So I can't wait to see it. We about to slide up out there with the family. I gotta go ahead and get some packages from up out there for these bikes. So we're gonna have that on the way. But like I said, man, make sure y'all enter to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, man. We are giving away the 2015 Chevy Silverado paired together with a 2019 Road Glide. Today, I'm going to go pick up the legs right now in the IE for this bike. So we're about to have this thing rolling on the back of the Silver Bullet today to get to the frame doctor. So stay tuned for that. And then we still have the handlebar giveaway at the $5 entry right now. The deadline for that is going to be 12/22/2022. So get in to win it, man, because I'm telling y'all, it's about to be over with. I can't wait, man. I'm telling y'all, we're giving away multiple bars to multiple lucky subscribers on YouTube, man. It'd be just like that, man. But like I said, we're about to get to LA and get to it, man. So stay tuned. We sliding, not hiding, man. That's crazy.
Everybody want either white or black.
What?
License plate.
Oh, yeah.
On these, actually, yeah, they.
That's
These are
crazy.
black plates. But not the kind you see.
Battery's super dead, huh?
Yeah.
It's still clean, though. That's crazy. I don't know nothing about this car. I like how the seat recline, though. So it's crazy how I just go up and down.
Yeah.
I don't know nothing about these cars.
I went in there. I didn't
Oh, you
see
covered it. That's crazy.
It's your home. Where's the little bit of
Shit, y'all really put it. This is good.
Hey, don't get dirty.
That's crazy. This motherfucker nice, man. One day. It's crazy. You said I got it started, huh?
Yeah. Do me a favor. Grab that hose in the front.
Out the bumper?
Yeah.
Pull it.
No, I want to lift it up.
Oh. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, you doing it on purpose?
Yeah.
I'm trying not to drop it on this top. I ain't gonna lie, this white top cleaned up good.
Yeah.
It still look new.
You can't
That's crazy.
scrub it
How come?
because it gets dry. I mean, you can't put no solution on it. Only put soap on it. What is that shit? Simple Green.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's crazy. Man, this motherfucker nice, dude. I swear. That's crazy.
And I can push it back for the next 10 years.
Shit. What else you gonna, this is the fuel pump went out.
Yeah. That ain't nothing.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Put that in the battery.
Some fresh tires, huh? Or can you make these back white?
What?
These tires.
Let's put some, I got some acid over there somewhere. Not acid, but some like bleach white.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll come with them. Are brand new tires.
That's
I
crazy.
won't be able to use them because they're probably dry.
At least good to just have it to clean it to see it. That's for sure. I know the Camaro is super loud, huh? Ugh. It's crazy. That thing is ready to go. Loud. Hey, show y'all the motor, man. He got this. Got it looking good. Crazy. It's amazing as hell to still have this shit for years. Literally before I was born. That new carpet look good. That new carpet look good. Walk down to that. What's that? Leather for my man. What up, YouTube? We done made it back to the house, man, on a late night. So I'm about to get some work done on these bikes. I have to bring my drop top in here. My dad got me thirsty, put the top down. I swear that is crazy. But anyway, man, we got the car in here. It's about to rain, so I have to protect myself because I don't care. This convertible, the water go through a little bit through the window, so we got to get some new weather seals. Weather stripping, but we're going to get all that taken care of when we get this thing painted real soon. But you already know we got the Camaro on the back, so that's going to come first before this for sure, because this is already a rolling vehicle. But stay tuned, man. I can't wait to slide. I most certainly can't wait to slide in my dad lowrider. So hopefully if you're watching this video like you was on the boat, man, I'm trying to be in the passenger seat myself one of these days. That'll be a dream. But until then, man, I'm going to catch y'all tomorrow. We're about to get some work on these bikes. worked in on these bikes. So make sure y'all tune into the video tomorrow, man. I'm trying to have this red thing complete. The last part just came in the mail. It's still in LA. It came as soon as I pulled it off, but it's good. We're gonna be back out there. But like I said, we slide in and hide it, man. I'll catch y'all in a minute.